Welcome back, everyone, and welcome to week 2 of Daniel Fast. I hope you're doing well. I hope you got past that sugar-free and caffeine-free headache because I know I struggled this week. So I'm hoping you're feeling better. I'm hoping you're focused and grounded. And as well, I hope your prayer life is strengthening. I hope your reading is strengthening. Hopefully, you use that app that I told you about before. But anyway, I wanted to come to you with some new recipes and new things for this week, as I promised. I pumped out a good number of recipe videos last week, and this week I'm already on a roll. I have a couple in the queue waiting to come ready for you. But today, I want you to just look in the description below, and you're going to find breakfast suggestions. You're going to find some lunch suggestions, although those are usually leftovers. I don't know about you, but I think food tastes better the second day. And a lot of dinner suggestions. Along with the suggestions, you're also going to see some video links or website links so that you can find these things even after you're done with my videos. I support everyone's channel, so I want you to see what else is out there. For breakfast, I introduced you to some chia seed puddings. Chia seed is wonderful to eat, but there are a lot of ways to use that, and so I put one of my favorite links in with that. For dinner, I have a lasagna video that's up. I have some stew peas and dumpling video or actually a website that's linked in there. So a lot of great information. Just check that description box below and you'll be all set for next week. Well, this week. And then we have one more week to go. All right. So I hope you have a great week. Stay blessed and give me a note in the comments below and I will do my best to get back to you. All right. Thanks. And remember, man cannot live by bread alone, but by every word that comes from the mouth of God. Have a great week, everyone, and I'll see you in the next video.